while working in a team, these extensions can be really useful to communicate between developers. So what we do here is we go to this extension panel and then type better command and install this extension in our VS Code. So what we get in this extension is we have some options for the comment for our comment section. Like if I want to define the definition of this function, I just put a double slash and a text what the purpose of this function. But hey, the other developer come and say some suggestion to the other developer. So what he or she will do here is put a double slash and a question mark and then write the text for any suggestion he or she want to give. There's a other options which you can use as a you can say alert that this function is deprecated and will be removed with next build. So I have put this double slash and exclamation mark so on the text show that this function is deprecated and will be removed with next build. So there's one more option is to do, like what will be more features in this function will have in the future. So here I have created some one function which is date formatting, and I have a text which added a to do, like more formats will be added. So you can use this for comment formatting in your project and communicate with other developers. So it's really useful. You can try and give me the feedback what you get from this extension. So hope you like the content. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.